Adding images to your designs. There are different ways to add images to your designs. You can either use the fill menu and import them. You can bulk import them. You can copy existing images from your artboard. You can create them with AI, or you can use a plugin such as Unsplash. So the first option is to simply add an image via the fill menu. So select your frame or shape and then jump into fill and then switch over to image. You can now get the option to choose an image and you can simply select that image from your file. However, this is a little slow, so we could also bulk select those images. Hit Shift Command or on Windows Control and K, and you can now select multiple images at once. You'll see on your cursor a preview of the next image to place and the number of how many images you have stored. You could add it directly on the canvas, or you can click into any shape to place the image. You might also have the situation that you already have images in your design file that you want to reuse. Now you don't need to export and import them, you can use them right from here. Simply select the image, hit Shift, Command and C, and this is going to copy a PNG. And you can simply paste this by pressing Command or Control and V to place it into any other shape. Another option is we can also generate images with AI. You can either just click on the Actions menu and then here you find Make an Image, or have a frame or shape selected and then via the Fills menu choose Image Fill, swap image, and then you can also generate images here. And now simply type in what you're looking for. If you like more than one image, little tip, simply drag it on your desktop and then you can store it, and then later on you can always use it at any other elements. The last option, and actually my favorite one, is using a plugin. Open the Actions menu, click on Plugins, and then type in Unsplash. Double click it to open, and you can either type in anything you're looking for, or you can use some of the preset categories. Most of these images are high resolution and royalty free. You can simply click on them to fill in any image or frame in your design. So let's add an image to our design. Another plugin that works just like Unsplash that I also really like is Lumi. So just go to your plugins and you can either choose Lumi or the Unsplash plugin, and then open it, select any shape, and then you can search the images you like here. So let's just go for this one, and you can then place it right inside of your shape. Now, if we want to use the same image over here, then what we can do, we can either use the same one. Well, let's say you close the plugin and you don't know where you found it. Then what you can do is use your shortcut, Shift, Command and C to copy a PNG, then select the other shape or frame, and you can now just paste it in here. If you want to change the selection of the image, then double click and you're going to get the image menu. And here in the drop down, which is set to fill, choose crop. You can now move the image around, and you can also, if you get close to the edges, you can also change the size. If you hold Shift, then it's going to scale proportionally.